Hi there, welcome to BSF Recovery Team. Today we got some winching tips for you. What do you do when you come across a tree across the trail and you don't have a chainsaw with you? Well, the first thing most people think of is just wrap a chain around it and drag it backwards. So let's see what happens when we do that. Now, as you can see, the tree is no longer across the trail, but it's still in the trail. And when you're in the narrow woods like this and you can't maneuver off to the side, you still can't pull it off of the trail. Now with this one, instead of using a chain and just dragging it into the trail, we're going to use our winch along with a pulley in a redirected winch line and actually pull it off of the trail. So, with a tree saver, a clevis, and a snatch block, we can redirect the winch line and pull this tree all the way off the trail. We're not going to go to the tree right behind us though, because that wouldn't give us enough distance. We're going to go to one of the far ones over there.
Tree?
Yep. Okay, now we're rigged up. We can winch the tree. It'll go up into there. When the winch started to drag down because we were pulling the tree over that other deadfall, I decided to start the wrecker so we didn't drain the batteries down too far. tree is up right where we wanted it to be. We still got a little bit of the tree left in the trail. So what we're going to do is we're going to move the winch cable again and get the rest of the tree off of the trail. This time we're going to redirect our winch cable off of that tree right there behind me to pull the top of this tree all the way off the trail. When rigging with a snatch block, after you get all the slack out, you should always go back to the snatch block and make sure that the cable is in the pulley correctly. Because if it's falling out of the sheave, then you could actually cut the cable once you get a bunch of tension on it. One more thing to remember, when you're winching a redirected line, quite often the cable wants to spool up all on one side of the drum. You have to keep an eye on that, because if you get too much cable spooled up on one side of the drum and it starts rubbing on these bars, not only is it hard to unspool, but you could damage your winch. Okay, I know it seems like it takes a little longer, but we got the tree all the way off the trail. Thanks for watching, BSF Recovery Team. Subscribe to our channel, keep wheeling, be safe out there, and maybe we'll see you out in the woods.
Let's go play! Let's go play! Let's go play!
Okay.